What is up, guys? This is the Sab Neo V8 Pixel. Let's check it out. Whoop. You guys remember, this is the V7 Sab Neo. I'll put a link to this video below so you can check out the unboxing of this. It's one of my favorite sabers. This is the Disney series, the Kahla version. In the back, which I'll show you the difference of light between these two, which that's what I'm still impressed with, is the light of it, how sturdy it feels, as you can tell. But let's check out the V8 Pixel. I've already unboxed it. It's the same unboxing experience as this. You're just gonna put your set screws right here and you're ready to go. But there are a few key differences between the V7, speaking of the charger, and the V8. Let's look at it. This is the V8. Absolutely amazing. There's so many different settings that I won't even evoke, but so listen.
Are you a Jedi? I am.
So many different settings for this saber, changing the blade, how it customization, different, obviously different lights for the saber. There will be a link in the bio for the V8. You can check that out. But look at this. And I do want to say that even the charging for this is totally different. It is a USB-C, which I am so grateful for. Let me show you. So all you're gonna do is take off this bottom piece right here, and then you have your USB-C charging, which compared to the V7, there's a proprietary charger. Now you have USB. USB-C. That makes it so much better. And then obviously easy to put back on. And then I took the bottom off because I just wanted to see what's in the bottom. Here, show you too. You can always do a double-sided, put another blade right here. Let's put them all in the same color. Get this light switched off, and you can see how different each one looks. The Sab Neos compared. I mean, look at that shimmer. The Sab Neo just outperforms, and they're all fully charged. There are so many different modes for the Sab Neo V8. If you have questions, I am doing longer form videos on my TikTok, up to 1 minute to 3 minutes, answering questions about the Sab Neo. I know one of the videos recently went viral because they are such cool products, but it is an amazing saber. Definitely my go-to. When friends come over, these are the first thing they pick up that they really enjoy. The weight is very evenly portioned compared to the Disney Black Series saber.
Electric essence.
And you can change this to do a normal saber. I'll probably do that in my follow-up video when I'm doing multiple reviews of all of them. But look at this. How bright that is. But yeah, don't forget to like, follow, comment for more. I know I'm new to doing these longer type videos, but I am enjoying them. Do appreciate it. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.